another Combatants figure, Fight for Glory, from Zezre Studios, which I was a big fan of the Gladiator figures that I got from Zezre before. This figure looks awesome. This is Kasos, the Crasher. Yeah, super excited about this. It's a big figure. I love the box design and whatnot too. Yeah, let's get into this. Here he is outside of the box. This figure looks amazing. It's a really big figure too. For accessories, we've got 2 extra sets of hands, closed fist and open palm. We have these hooved feet, which I'm gonna actually put these on him. I think I'm gonna like him with these better. And then he's got his big old giant axe as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of this articulation, starting off with the head, of course. There's not a whole lot of, his neck is big there, so it doesn't exactly go much further side to side than that. But it does kind of spin upward to go all the way around. It also doesn't look up very high because of that neck. And of course it's pretty hindered looking down also, but there is some nod movement there also. Okay, I'll take a look now. I do believe these armor pieces and stuff can come off. Yeah, they're loose. But I'll go ahead and show you that with the armor piece. It goes up that high. Let's compare it without. Gets up a little higher without the armor piece. You also got that butterfly in there. It doesn't go super far. Again, he's going to be hindered in certain areas just because of how big and bulky he is. It's of course going to go all the way around. Have a swivel at the bicep. Single jointed elbow. Gets about 90. This piece is also loose, so that could also come off if you would like. You know, a little around and up and down on the hand. For the torso, leans back a decent ways, but he's not able to lean forward too far without legs being involved, even though there is that ab crunch there. Got the bit of hula hoop as well. Alright, the legs now. I do believe all this belt stuff could also come off. It does also appear loose. If you wanted more hindrance, or less hindrance, again, if you wanted to get it out of the way. But, I mean, his leg goes up, or out, about all the way. Up, get it up pretty high too. Got a double jointed knee. Gets pretty far back. Not sure if there's a swivel there. No, it doesn't seem to be moving. I feel like there should be, because that I believe is where the hoof is going to connect at, so it should swivel. But I can't really. I don't want to break it. I'll probably have to do some hot water to get that one loose. That one's pretty tight. Get your normal pin for rocker at the foot. So I mean, yeah, overall, like, really good articulation for such a big and bulky figure. Obviously it is hindered in a few places. It's going to be being that bulky, but really solid articulation. Alright, I've just got him chilling in a bowl of hot water. Get him warmed up so I can put the hooves on instead of the more humanoid feet. Okay, so where I thought that there was a swivel, there is not. So the hooves are just going to attach as if down where the foot. I probably should have heated those up too, actually. Okay. Let's put him back in there. Now let's heat these up too. Okay, so yeah, the hooves attach at the same spot that the feet did. So you've gained a bit of height doing the hooves, and I really like this look. It is a little bit less stable, so you do have to kind of do some more bending. You can't just have them standing kind of straight like you did with the feet. But I really like this look a lot, actually, so I think I'm going to keep them with the hooves. So yeah, this is Kasos the Crasher from Combatants Fight for Glory. Really dope figure, really huge figure. I like it a lot. I'm super glad to have it. A little bummed about not getting both, but yeah, this is a really cool figure. Really happy with it. Yeah, if you're into this kind of figure, then it's quite solid. And I don't know, I've just been really into the more not so mainstream, like, you know, Hasbro and stuff like that, and getting more into the lesser known companies and like fantasy type stuff a lot lately. So this is a perfect fit, and so far I've really loved all of the figures from the Combatants Fight for Glory series by Cesare. So yeah, really happy with this one too. Definitely recommend it. But let me know what you guys think of it, and let me know down in the comments, and we can keep this conversation going. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.